Okay guys, we're gonna do the Ghima, the minced meat that you're gonna use for almost everything. Okay, you can do kebab saniye, which is the sini kofta. You can do the kebab, the small kebab with it. You can do the soup. You can do an omelette with it. I love it. You can do the rice. You can do sambusek. You put some fresh parsley in it, and you can do miracles with this. And it's very easy, and you can store it. And whenever you need it, just like that, you can have the filling. So I'm gonna start by frying the meat. Everyone starts by frying the onion. What I like is to have it juicy. So I start with the meat, I fry the meat, and then I add the onion. Okay? We're gonna put some oil. And I'm putting the meat here. See, my meat is minced, red meat, no fat, and you can buy it from the supermarket ready-made, or you can ask your butcher to prepare it. You put double size your meat, the onion. If you have 1 kilogram of meat, you put 2 kilograms of chopped onion. And then you will have the water of the meat. We will wait until this water is all evaporated, and then we'll add the onion, okay? Okay, now you see there is no more water. My meat is small, crumbles, crunchy, and good, very well fried. So now it's the time to add my onion. Already prepared, chopped. You can use the machine if you want, but make sure not to remove the water of the onion. This is what I want, okay? Because I want this water to give the taste, and this is the best part of it. Just give a nice stir until all the meat and the onion is well combined. I will leave this, I will give it time to cook so that the onion is all welt, and meanwhile I will roast my pine nut. I don't put anything, I just want to heat and put my pine nuts in it. You will see now how the pine nuts change the color and start to be golden, and this is where I will enjoy the smell, but you won't, I'm sorry. Aromas are here, and it's starting to get shiny, it's releasing the oil. I don't know if you're seeing this, see? Voila. Wanna leave aside this one, I don't want to put on the fire, and every now and then I wanna just give a stir because my pan is still hot. We're ready. We're gonna season our meat. So we have the salt, we have the 7 spices, which you have sweet pepper, the black pepper, cinnamon. I love extra cinnamon, so I will add the cinnamon, and the red pepper flakes. Alrighty, I will add my pine seeds now. Here I'm turning off the heat and putting a little bit of olive oil. It gives the shininess, gives this nice taste. I just go inside and grab, don't tell my mom. Look, the onion and the meat is so good blended to each other that you can't. The olive oil, grab everything together, it's very nice, it's perfect. It's so easy. You can do anything with it. Just try it, it's yummy, try it. Try it, go ahead, it's yummy.